everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I did CVS a little bit differently. So this is what I'm going to try to do, and if you like it this way, please let me know. It's very similar to how I do my Walgreens haul. So what I'm going to do is go in the store and show you guys all the deals and the breakdowns and everything. And then I will come back and let you know everything that I got and all my problems and things all that I have. But if you guys like something like this, let me know. I'm technically not supposed to film in the store, but I think for what I'm doing, I'm not like going crazy. I'm just trying to show you guys deals. I think it works out a little bit faster. But let me know. So here are the deals. The Snuggle is on sale for $3.49. I have a $1.50 off insert coupon that I'm going to use. And then I also have a $1.50 off digital coupon that I will be using. And then I also have a $1 off a Snuggle fabric softener CRT. So I'm going to use all three of those coupons. You'll just pay $2.98, but get them for $1.49 each. So my store has sold out a lot of the Pepto, but these are $6.59 at buy one, get one 50% off. I have a $2 off Pepto, $3 off heartburn relief, $3 off, and $2 off all CRTs. So these come out to be $9.88 for two of them at buy one, get one 50% off, but I will get both of them absolutely free. So we have the Love and Beauty Planet. These are $9.29. We're going to use two buy one get one free coupons. Then I have the Dove shampoo and conditioner. These are 3 for $14, and I have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that we're going to use, and we're going to use 2 of the buy one get one free coupons. I also have a 4 off of 18 CRT, and I have a 4 off of 25 CRT, and then I have this $2 off any Dove hair care. So you can buy these 7 items. You're going to end up just paying $17.58. But when you purchase when you spend $20, you get a $10 extra care buck for this one. And when you buy the 3 of these, you get a $3 extra care buck. So all 7 items come out to be $4.58 or just 65 cents each, which I think is a great deal. The Garnier Blends and the Garnier Fructis are both 2 for $7. We're going to get both of them. I'm going to use a 4 off of 2 insert coupon for the Garnier Fructis, and I'm going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon for the Whole Blends. I also have a 3 off of 10 Beauty CRT. So I am going to use that and end up paying just $3, or just comes out to be 75 cents a bottle. The Gillette shaving cream are $4.69 at buy one get one 50% off. I have a 1 off of 6 Gillette Shave CRT, and then I also have a 1 off of 3 Shave CRT. So I'm going to use both of those, pay $9.72, and then when you buy 3 of them, you get a $10 extra care buck. So this comes out to be a 27-cent moneymaker. The Axe body spray is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You're going to use 2 of these buy one get one free coupons, so that'll take $5.99 times 2 off. And then I actually have a 4 off of 10 CRT, and then I have a $2 off CRT. So I'll get all 4 of them for free. But then when you spend $15, you'll actually get a $5 extra care buck. So I'll get a $5 moneymaker with these, which is a great deal. The CoverGirl mascara, we have some for $6.99. You want to buy 3 of them. So you'll buy 3 of these blue CoverGirl mascaras. I have 2 $4 off CRTs, and then I also have a 6 off of 20 CRT. And then I will be using 3 of the $3 off insert coupons. It'll already be a moneymaker. It'll be for free. And then I get a $10 extra care buck when I purchase 3. So this altogether will be a $12.03 moneymaker. The Dial hand soap. The Dial hand soap is $3.79. It is buy one get one 40% off, and then I have a CRT for $2.50 off, and then I have a buy one get one free coupon. So you'll end up getting both of these for free. Comes out to be a 22-cent moneymaker. I'm getting the Garnier wipes for $6.79 and the other micellar water for $9.99. They're currently buy one get one 50% off. I have a 3 off of 2 micellar water CRT, and then a $2 off coupon, and then I have a $2 off digital coupon. I'll end up paying just $6.38, but then when you purchase the 2 of them, you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1.38 or 69 cents each. I'm gonna get the Revitalift for $29.49. I actually have a 40% off CRT that I'm gonna use. Now, if you use this, make sure you do not pay with extra care bucks. And then I also have a $4 off CRT and a $5 off CRT, along with a $3 off digital coupon. I'll end up just paying $5.69, but then I'll get a $10 extra care buck, making this a $4.31 moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. Okay, so that was everything that I got. There's one deal that my daughter's in the background. There's one thing I did get that I did not do in the video. Because I had a $10 off of 50, I got it on an email. I also had a 10 off of 70 CRT that I got my receipt last week. But this week I got an email for 10 off of 50, which I am pretty excited for. I did have to re-sign up for the text messages. I haven't gotten a text message from them in almost a year, so I re-signed up again, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty excited with what I got. Compared to last week, was just kind of a fail for me, and I just wasn't in the mood. I've been extremely busy with other things in my life, and not bad, nothing bad, but I just been so busy that I just haven't had time to do a lot of stuff, and that was okay to just to take a nice break. But I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got. So I did do, and I'm not going to do like the break, I don't know, you guys, I'll do the breakdowns, because some of you guys like it one way, some of you like the other way. So the first thing I was excited to do was the Snuggle. Now these were $3.49, and I had a $1.50 off insert coupon and a $1.50 off digital coupon, and then I had a $1 off of 2 Snuggle. So you would just get both of these for $2.98 or $1.49. Which is a pretty decent deal. I think with all the prices of everything going up lately, I think $1.49 or $1.99 might be our go-to place. So I ended up getting 3 of the, I got 3 of the Dove shampoo and conditioners. These were 3 for $14. So I got 3 of those, and then I ended up getting 3 of the Love and Beauties, or 4 of the Love and Beauties. These were $9.29 at buy one get one 50% off. Were they? No, they were not. They were not buy one get one 50% off. But anyways, I had the buy one get one free coupon. I also had a 5 off of 3 Dove shampoo and conditioner CRT, and then I also had a 2 off of 2 CRT. So between the 2 buy one get one free coupons, the 5 off of 3, and the 2 off of $2 coupon for all that stuff, it ended up coming out to be $17.58. But then when you bought 3 of the Dove, you got $3 back, and then when you bought 4 of the Love, or when you spent $20 of the Love and Beauty, you got $10 back. So I got everything for just $4.58 or 65 cents each, which I think is a pretty great deal. Okay, so I ended up getting the CoverGirl. The CoverGirl were $6.99. I used 3 $3 off insert coupons that we had, and then I had a $4 off CoverGirl, another $4 off CoverGirl, and a 6 off of 20 CoverGirl. Paid I made a profit off of this. I got a $2.03 moneymaker, but I got $10 with an extra care back. So this came out to be a $12.03 moneymaker. That's crazy. Crazy. So I ended up getting them the wipes and the water. So these were $9.99 or $9.99 and $6.79. They were buy one get one 50% off. I used a $2 off insert coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. I had a $3 off micellar CRT, so I ended up using it this way. Now, it came out to be the same price anyways if I didn't buy this with that CRT, if I just bought 2 of these. Kind of, basically. But my daughter is screaming in the background, I apologize. But it came to be $6.38 for the both of these, and then you get a $5 extra care box, making it $1.38 or 69 cents. I think if I bought this, it would have been like $1.18, so 20 cents more. We will go with this. Yeah, yes. So I did that. Okay, the next deal we did is the, I got the Axe. I'm pretty excited with the Axe. I'm just going to take all this stuff out of the bag if I can. There's another Dove, Axe, another Love and Beauty, Axe, and Love and Beauty. Okay, So I ended up doing the X deal. Now these were $5.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I had 2 buy one get one free coupons. I had a 4 off a 10X CRT, and then I had a $2 off CRT, a $2 off CRT. These all came to be for free anyways, and then I got a $5 extra care buck, so this came out to be a $5 moneymaker. So I was pretty excited for that. I ended up getting the Gillette shave cream. These were $4.69. Buy one get one 50% off. I had a $1 off a 6 and a $1 off a 3. You pay $9.72 for the 3 of these, but then you get a $10 extra care buck. So these came out to be a 27-cent moneymaker. You could even gotten a 4th one to make the 4th one like a 50% off also. But I just got those, so I was pretty excited for that to be a moneymaker. Then I ended up doing, so all that stuff, those were 2 separate transactions. I did, or no, that was all one transaction. That was all one transaction? I think so. Yeah, that was all one transaction. And one of my transactions, it came to be a certain amount, and I gave her a $10 extra care buck, and I gave her a $3.43 extra care buck. Well, when I looked at my receipt, the $3.43 came off, but the 10 one did not. It adjusted to $3.79. So I ended up losing $6.21. And I always make sure to ask what my total is before tax, and to make sure I don't go past the tax, because otherwise it messes it up. But I ended up having to pay $8.20-something. So what do? Well, I have a question for you guys. Like, I lost $6.21 out of a $10 extra care buck that I had, and I ended up having to pay $8.something before tax. So let me know if I just have to lose it. If I lose it, whatever. But I'm kind of pissed off because I did everything right and the cashier did right, but she wasn't paying attention to see that it didn't give me the full $10 off. I could complain to the store manager. They might maybe give me like a $6 extra care buck, but if you guys have been in that situation, let me know. You and I both know we hate calling corporate. Corporate is completely worthless for CVS. So yeah, so that was, I think it was even that transaction. So I ended up paying like $8, and I did not want to. I wanted to pay like $2 or $3 like I usually do, but my CRT, and I didn't realize it until I got home. So anyways, I got this Revitalift. This was oh, what is this? Did I not write this down? This was $29.49. I had a 40% off L'Oreal. I had a $3 off digital coupon, and then I had a $4 off CRT and a $5 off CRT. I meant digital, $3 off digital if I said insert. But anyways, you for this deal, do not pay with extra care bucks because it will adjust your thing. So do not pay with extra care bucks. But without paying with extra care bucks, you would pay $5.69 for this. But then you get that $10 extra care bucks. So this comes out to be a $4.31 moneymaker. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I mean, from $30 to making it almost a $4 moneymaker, I think that is a great deal. So I did that transaction also by itself. And then I did, I bought the Garnier Fructis in the whole blends. Now these were 2 for $7 each, and I had a 3 off of 10 beauty that I was going to use. So I ended up using these were both 2 for $7, and then I had 2 $4 off of 2 insert coupons, 1 for the whole blends, 1 for the Garnier, and then I used that 3 off of 10 personalized CRT that I had. So I ended up getting these for $3 or just 75 cents each, which I think is a pretty decent deal. So if you guys can grab that deal, go for it. And I did that transaction in a separate transaction because that 3 off of 10, I didn't want it to come off on any other thing because I kind of figured out my transactions ahead of time, which was nice. And then I had a 10 off of 50. So everything that I have in this bag, I used it. So I ended up getting the Dial Foam hand soap. These were $3.79 at buy one get one 40% off. I had a buy one get one free coupon, and then I also had a $2.50 CRT. So this came out to be a 22-cent moneymaker, and I absolutely love the pear flavor or scent. This one's my favorite. I absolutely love it. So I got those for free. Then I was gonna get the Pepto-Bismol last week because I had some CRTs. My store was sold out. My store finally had some today they went up in price. They were $4.99 and now they're $6.99. I swear I did not see the $4.99, but I could be losing my mind. But these were $6.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. I ended up having a $2 off Pepto CRTs, and then I had a $3 off Pepto CRT, and I also had a $3 off Heartburn CRT. So I actually got both of these for free. Like, you know, awesome. $9 worth of Pepto, and I got them for free. I wanted to get these ones, but my store only had one of these, and then I got that. But yes, I'm pretty excited for that. Well, then I needed to spend $10 more to get my spend 50, get $10 off. And I'm like, okay, let's just see what else I can get. And I've been eyeing these up. I went and checked the aisle like 4 times. I'm like, oh, I kind of want to do these. So these were on sale for $7.99. My store had hang tag coupons for like ever. So I used the $3 off coupons for each one. And so you pay $9.98 for this, but then when you buy the 2, you get a $5 extra care buck, making these just $4.98 or $2.50 each. But like I said, I had to just spend $10 more to get the $10 off. So I basically got that for free. So I was excited with everything right there. So my total came to $21.01. That one CRT messed me up, otherwise it would have been lower out of pocket. But and then the one L'Oreal I could not pay with extra care bucks because of the 40% off coupon. But $21.01, I ended up using $40.22 of CRTs because that one adjusted on me. But I did receive $58 back, so I'm pretty excited with that. So my grand total came to $3.23 for everything. I got 32 items for $3.23. That's 10 cents an item, and I will take it. You guys, I don't know how it's been forever since I've saved this much. I don't know if I've ever saved this much in a very long time, but I saved over $214.87. That is awesome. That is awesome. So I'm pretty happy. But yeah, please let me know what I should do with the $6.21 for the adjusted CRT. This cashier's new, or she's not new, but I haven't dealt with her very much. But we were just having problems with other things. But I don't know what I should do. If I should complain, just let it go. I'm okay with just letting it go. But since my total came to $223 and I lost that $6, everything would have been like a 3-cent moneymaker. So I don't know. I'm just kind of ticked off, but that's just the way things go. If you enjoyed the way I did the video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I may or may not be doing a CVS video next week. It just depends on the sales. It is Easter Sunday, and I do plan on hanging out with my family. If I do go to CVS, it'll be after all of our holiday planning, and I will be posting probably a later video in the afternoon, which is totally fine, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have an awesome week. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.